Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. So first let's get started with the top of our cap, and in the center here we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On both sides now we're going to arch this line around and then back up. And then now from here we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now for the shape of the face, on both sides we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down. And then from that point on the side, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the side, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's close the chin off now by curving this line in towards the center. We're going to join that at a point. Now from here in the middle, for the hair, we're going to bring this diagonal line down and then back up. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line straight down. From the corner here, we're going to curve this line up. For the eyebrows, let's draw this diagonal line coming in and then back up. We'll do the same on the left. Now let's draw in our eyes. So coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line on the bottom on both sides. And then as we come over towards the inside, we're going to arch this line around and then down. As we move in towards the middle of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a thinner oval, bringing that around and then back down. On the top, we're going to connect this by drawing in another oval for the highlight. And then moving directly underneath, we're going to draw in another oval in the center. Now for our nose, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top and on the bottom that join on the side. Underneath our eye on the left, we're going to draw in the letter Z on a diagonal. And then we'll do the same on the right. And then now from here for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw in our hair. So on the right hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line out, back in. From that point, we're going to bring this line down and then back in. Again, we're going to bring this line across and then curving that in towards the side of the face. Now moving down, let's curve this line down and then back across. And then underneath from that point, curving that line out and then back in. Let's move over on the left now. We're going to curve this line back out and then in on the side. From that point, we're going to bring this line out and then back through. And then lastly, just bringing this line across and then all the way over and in. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then we're going to bring this line out and then in. And then stepping further in, let's replicate that. Now moving over on the left, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern, bringing this up, down, and then back up. And then for the ear, just bringing this line across and then in towards the bottom. And then again, we'll replicate that shape on the inside. Lastly, we're just going to draw in our hat now. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line up towards the top of our page. And then we're going to close this off with a nice big curved line from left to right. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line across. On the top now, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then moving over, let's replicate that again. And that is it. That's how you draw Ash Ketchum. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.